Number 1. The magnetic field lines form concentric circles when the conductor is option A circular, option B solenoid, option C straight, and option D none of these. And the correct option is option C straight. Number 2. The direction of magnetic field can be checked by using option A copper wire, option B compass, option C iron fillings, option D right hand thumb only. And the correct option is compass. Number 3. With increase in current, the deflection of needle, option A remains same, option B decreases, option C increases, and option D first increases then decreases. And the correct option is option C increases. Number 4. With a decrease in distance from the conductor, the magnetic field, option A decreases, option B increases, option C moves westward only, and option D all of these. And the correct option is increases. Number 5. According to right hand thumb rule, the thumb points towards the direction of the option A magnetic field, option B force, option C current, and option D none of these. And the correct option is option C current. 6. The magnetic field lines inside a solenoid is option A uniform, option B non-uniform, option C can be uniform or non-uniform, option D none of these. And the correct option is uniform. 7. A current carrying solenoid behaves as a option A temporary strong magnet, option B permanent strong magnet, option C temporary weak magnet, and option D permanent weak magnet. And the correct option is temporary strong magnet. 8. The magnitude of magnetic field by the solenoid depends on option A current flowing through the solenoid, option B number of turns per unit length of the solenoid, option C both A and B, option D none of these. And the correct option is both A and B. 9. The direction of force on the current carrying conductor in a magnetic field is given by option A Maxwell's right hand thumb rule, option B Fleming's right hand rule, option C Fleming's left hand rule, and option D Emperor's swimming rule. And the correct option is Fleming's left hand rule. 10. The current carrying conductor in a magnetic field experiences force only. Option A when it is placed parallel to the magnetic field, option B when it is placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, option C when it is placed outside the magnetic field, and option D none of above. And the correct option is option B when it is placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. 11. The force acting on the conductor placed in a magnetic field is proportional to the option A current flowing through the conductor, option B length of the conductor inside the magnetic field, option C magnitude of the magnetic field, and option D all of these. And the correct option is option D all of these. 12. In kicking wire experiment, the current in the magnetic field and the direction of the force on the wire are option A parallel to each other, option B mutually at right angles to each other, option C have no particular direction, option D none of these. And the correct option is option B mutually at right angles to each other. 13. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit, option A, reduces substantially, option B does not change, option C increases heavily, option D vary continuously. And the correct option is option C increases heavily. 14. the magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current? Option A is 0. Option B decreases as we move towards its end. Option C increases as we move towards its end. Option D is the same at all points. And the correct option is option D is the same at all points. 15. Inside the magnet, the field lines moves. Option A from north to south. Option B from south to north. Option C away from south pole. Option D away from north pole. And the correct option is option B from south to north. 16. By which instrument the presence of magnetic field be determined? Option A, magnetic needle. Option B, ammeter. Option C, galvanometer. Option D, voltmeter. And the correct option is option A, magnetic needle. 17. The nature of magnetic field line passing through the center of current carrying circular loop is option A, straight line. Option B, circular. Option C, ellipse. And option D, parabolic. And the correct option is option B, circular. 18. Earth wire carries option A, current. Option B, voltage. Option C, no current. Option D, none of above. And the correct option is option C, no current. 19. Which are the characteristics of fuse element? Option A, high conductivity. Option B, low melting point. Option C, do not burn due to oxidation. And option D, all of the above. The correct option is option D, all of the above. 20. The most important safety method used for protecting home appliances from short circuiting and overloading is option A, earthing. Option B, use of fuse. Option C, use of stabilizers. And option D, use of electric meter. And the correct option is option A, earthing. For more videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.